In manufacturing, two key strategies shape the workforce: training and skills development. While often used interchangeably, they serve distinct purposes. Training is short-term, focusing on immediate tasks like machine operation and safety protocols. It ensures employees know how to perform their jobs safely and correctly. Examples of training include safety training, teaching workers how to follow OSHA guidelines; machine operation, instructing employees on how to use CNC machines or forklifts. Skills development is long-term, aimed at preparing employees for future challenges. It enhances their overall capabilities, such as leadership and problem-solving skills. Examples of skills development include technical upskilling, learning advanced machine maintenance or CAD design; leadership development, preparing workers for supervisory roles through decision-making and team management skills. Here are some aspects of the key differences between training and skill development. Together, they create a dynamic, capable workforce ready for today's operations and tomorrow's innovations. Combine both and watch your manufacturing operation thrive today. To learn more, visit orcalean.com.